Little brother gave me his totally beat Air Force Ones. I made a video on how I deep clean these shoes. It's on my page, go check it out. But this video is dedicated to removing the creases out these sneakers. First thing you're gonna need is a bowl of water. You're gonna need a pair of shoe trees, a microfiber towel, and you can't forget about that iron, you hear me? You wanna put your shoe tree into your sneaker so it goes back to its original shape. After that, take your microfiber towel and wrap it over the toe box of the sneaker. After you do that, you're gonna pull that iron out, you feel me? And iron where the creases at. Once the water evaporates, reposition the towel and just keep repeating the same step. Now these sneakers was real bad, so I left the shoe trees in there for about an hour so the sneakers had time to mold to the desired effect that I wanted. So now when I remove the shoe tree, I gnarly ass creases up out of there.